Damn, that's it. Cash, but she told me to put on her card. So how you do that? You just 604. She gave me $605. So right, peeps, another day. A little recap from yesterday's earnings. $3,731 on the card. Did 7 trips in total. 4 hours 55 minutes online between Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday was $1,698. Thursday was $4,276.99. So I could go online now. Go online. It's currently 10:17, so hopefully we can get a little food in the morning. So I'll go and wait it out till we get a trip. Alright, peeps, I just drop off the first individual. It says she's supposed to pay cash, but she told me to put on her card. So how you do that? You just click it and say that the individual paid nothing, and then it said you'll still receive your earnings for this trip and we'll follow up with the customer. So confirm. So you don't have to worry the account, the money. Oh, she already paid in the app, so that's good. So I already collected it. So let me just complete the trip. And I already got a trip while I was in this trip. So text the person. So good morning. My type. Ready? I'll drop off him, and then we're going to pick up somebody else in the same area. Boom. Popeye's drop off. I guess the rider felt a little hungry. Let me complete her trip. Now we're going on to the next individual because I got another trip while I was driving, so my head off again. Alright. Complete. And I got another trip again. I think this is gonna be my last trip though, because I go have to have some other obligations. Currently it is 11:38. I've been getting like good images or videos because it's just so rapid consistently, but at the same time it's not as much in terms of like profit wise. I'm currently in Sovereign. Drop them off in a Sovereign, but it's not the trips that I'm getting aren't like long or a lot, but they're consistent, which I like. So let me navigate to this person now. I'll show it to them back. Is it? Yeah, it did. Yeah, man, no problem. Little. Alright, guys. So that's complete. Now move on to our next one, but it's going in my direction, so not bad. Right. Alright, let's go once again. I lie still, guys. The road active, man. It hasn't been bad at all. Been getting trips one after the other, and you really are going good. It's just that the trips that are taking are short, which again is not bad in my opinion. I like short trips, less money, but you know, you cannot do more at once. Probably at the end of the day they all balance out. Longer trips you get more money, but at the same time I feel like you just burn a little bit more gas with the shorter trips. You can just go one after the other, and you potentially make more money that way. And sometimes the length of the trip's not necessarily worth it either for the money that you're getting. So I don't even know how many trips I'm on. I haven't even got the opportunity to go onto the app and then show you guys like how much I've made or how many trips I've done. I don't even know. So after I do this last trip, I'm going to someone at the gym and then bringing them to wherever they want to go. Then after that I'll go have to take a break because I then have some other responsibilities. I have to be there before 1 o'clock. So after this trip, go close off for the afternoon. Hopefully not for the rest of the day. Hopefully I get more trips, make some more money, and continue the grind. So forward. Right, collect payment. So this is the first cash trip for the for the day. But my God, come off now. Hold on, let me. Oh. Right. Alright. Damn, that's it. That's crazy. I'm gonna wait for it for hold up. See more. No, I'm not gonna hear no. $2,893, kind of crazy. I'm gonna do 6 trip. Hold on, let me go offline. I'm going on earnings. 6K on the card. But I'm going on details though. Come on, see today. Damn, that's it. $2,893.72 in 2 hours and 2 minutes. 6 trips. See, I told you they weren't high. I'm not getting a surge, or I don't know if it's causing a peak hours or something. They're very low. So basically, I'm just make gas money so far. And the little girl leave at the door, good. Yeah. So I guess from morning I'm not really make nothing still. But I'm gonna take a little break. Currently 12:20. And to be honest, I don't know when I'm gonna sign back in. So I'll show you when I know anything. Or when I do something again.